How to send friend request on Hoop app. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can send a friend request on Hoop app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So remember that you're going to find the Hoop app link in the description of this video. Now, basically this is like to meet some new people, and at the bottom of your screen you have several buttons. So first of all, there is the option of an X. So if you click it there's no gonna be like anything sent to that person. And the other way, you have the button of the middle. It's like a star. Okay, so send a superstar to highlight your notification and increase its chances of being accepted. As you see, I have some friend requests. By now I have not accepted anything. And next button is to send that friend request, the plus button. So if I click there, it's gonna be sent. Okay, and that's it. Don't forget that you are spending diamonds when you tap on this button, approximately like 10 diamonds. By now I have 110. So if I click there, now just 100. And that happens with any contact that you want to send a friend request. But that's how you can do it. That's how you can send friend request on Hoop app. Thanks for watching.